you meet everyone, Noreen? This is Liz's friend, Noreen.
He's worried because he doesn't have the key.
Yeah. I thought, God, I'm going to have to push it home.
Go look at it.
Keys are in it, Doug.
Oh.
Surprise!
Does this look absolutely perfect?
Isn't that
I
cool?
gotta send it to you.
God, damn, yeah, we did good.
Yeah, we did. You called last night and I'm going, oh man, please tell me you're not coming over. We're trying to get it. And then of course I was on a test ride today and the stupid button gave up, the start button. So I gotta start with that right now. I got another one at home. But
Oh, okay.
anyway.
Look at the Doug's bike.
All right.
Isn't that cool?
But come out pretty good, didn't it?
Yes, it did. God. That's great.
Did you know it was yours?
Oh, I saw
I think
the orange.
so.
I'm thinking, I got to look at that bike. You know, and see.